okay. There. It's okay. It's okay. You guys are friends, I think. Lucy found a friend. That's Dominic. And what's your name?
Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. I'm so glad she's just like, she just sleeps and stuff and no problem.
She's fine.
That's awesome. I'm so happy for her.